How to download Telegram videos. First of all, go ahead and open up the Telegram application on your phone. You will then be taken to the Telegram chats list. Here, you can view all your chats on Telegram. Open any group chat from here. As you can see, a video has been shared in this chat. If you want to download this video, then tap and hold the video. And then, tap on Save Video. You have now successfully saved this video to your device. You can repeat the same steps to save other Telegram videos to your device as well. This way, you get more control on how you use and interact with the app. Following these steps, you can easily download Telegram videos. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.